I welcome everyone to the channel. This is Daniel Light, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get a $1,000 free prop firm account, which you need no deposit before you get it. So I expect most of my students to be seeing this video, if 50% of them to be seeing this video. So I'll be explaining what prop firm means. So prop firm is just like you get funded by a broker. They'll fund your account and you trade, meeting certain requirements, passing phrases and doing what is required, and the profit which you made will be split into two, which will be given half of what you get and other process like that. So I'll be going into the video showing you how you'll be able to claim this bonus. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to others so that it can also benefit with you on how to get this bonus. So proceeding, the name of this broker you're seeing right here is called Vipson Prop, as you can see showing on the screen. So firstly, the first step you have to do is to download their app. Once you're done downloading the app, you click on the description, which I'll be adding to this video. There you see a link where you'll be able to download the app, because you won't be able to get it from Play Store. So once you click on the link to download the app, so you fill in these details where you put in the country where you're from. After you put in the country where you're from, you add your email and then click on send code, as you can see showing right here in the video. Once you click on send code, a code will be sent to your Gmail, where you go straight to the Gmail to fetch and then come back here to paste it. So once you paste in the code, you add the password with them and then you click on register. So right here you can see the banner showing up there. That's the banner to get the 1,000 free prop firm account. So you see it right here, see the option, the 1,000 USD showing on the screen. So once you're done, you scroll down and as you can see, normally you're supposed to pay $28 to get this prop firm account, but you can see they've stroked it and it's now $0. So you click on confirm and proceed to payment. Although you are not paying any money, you click on confirm and then it brings you to this place that your order have been received. So you click on pay for the order, but you can see that it's showing $0. So you click on pay for the order, but you have to just follow the process as if you are paying for it. So you click on pay for the order and then this part you select the type of leverage you want for the account. Once you click the leverage, see you select $1,000 and then you click on the leverage, put it to basics and then you scroll to the bottom right here. Once you scroll to the bottom, scroll to the down, click on confirm. As you can see it down there, click on confirm to proceed payment. So once you've confirmed it, the next part where you get to, it's loading right there. So the next part where you get to is to get the login details, which you'll be using to log in into MT5. So once you've gotten the login details right here, see the login details right here, the platform. So you go straight right to MT5. Alright, so getting to MT5, you firstly put in the name of the server. You copy it from the details which was sent to you. Once you put in the name of the server, then you click on it and right here you put in the login details and also the password and you click on login. So once you click on login, you can see right here we've been logged in and the $1,000 is ready to trade. And as you can see right here, the $1,000 is ready. So the next important step you need to know right now is the challenge you need to pass. So firstly, you can see showing down here the profit target, which is 10% of the capital, and also the loss limit is 10%. No time limit, you can trade anytime, you can trade overnight. And also the second phase which you need to pass, you can see it's showing down here. The second phase is that you just need profit target of just 5% and loss limit of 10%. No time limit also. So from there you can trade anytime, day and night. You can leave your trades overnight. And also if you scroll to the bottom, you can see the last phrase where you'll be able to earn and get rewarded of your trades which you've been trading. And you can see you become a pro trader. You become a pro trader, which you have to just trade, no profit target, just trade, and 10% loss limit. And also you get refunded from the profit you've been making. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share to others so that they can also benefit on how to get a free capital to start the forex market. Have a nice day, guys.